Right, today we're going to show how to fix the brake master cylinder stopper, the 4SRC CNC version. We got the brake stoppers here. Just open the package. You will receive a box like this, and this is instructions paper. Tells you this is a left hand drive shape, that's a right hand drive shape, and that's the CNC made 6061T6 alloy. This is the part. So this one is the same photo as the below one, which is for right hand drive Nissan GTR all model years. So you receive this in a box. It's a solid CNC metal made. And then there's another part comes with it, which is a screw on top of it. That when we fit that onto the chassis, this you need to adjust to gains to the master cylinder, so it stops reflecting. Right, let's crack on. So first of all, we need to remove this clips. Couple of clips we need to remove. 1, 2, 3, and then there's one in there, and that's one in there. So once that remove, then you need to remove this one and then remove this as well. Can't feel it there. And most of the car, there's a clips behind. When you read that, it says clips behind these panels. So you might just need to pull it a little bit. So once you pull it open, take that off. See, that's the clips behind. That's what it's supposed to be. I had one, but I lost it. It don't really matter if you with or without. So we put it on the side, and then that trim, we remove that off. And you will get, let me get a light. You see it there? It's 2 bolts you need to remove. This one and this one. So you will need to get rid of that bolt. 2 bolts. Try to film it at the same time. Just 1 sec. Okay, now we have put these solid CNC kits onto the panels now. Right, as you can see, it's a 2-hole perfectly. 2 bolts gone through it. As you can see, that's perfectly gone through CNC. This is the 2 new bolts on the side. As you can see, don't know if you can see it. See, there's 2 new bolts. 1, 2 new bolts on it. Let me point it with my spanner. 1 here, and then 1 here. They are size 14, comes with the kit. So if you have a ratchet, flat ratchet, it will be really helpful. Ratchet spanner, use them to tie them up. And the last job, to put the bolts back on it, on the front. And then we need to adjust it. We need to adjust that top, the circle bit, against the cylinder. So that will be set.